Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to see the practical geometry, 5th chapter. Okay. In that we are going to see the construction of a rectangle. What are the sides in the rectangle? Length and breadth. And how many sides? 4 sides. Okay. The opposite sides are? Yes, equal. Opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. Then we shall move to exercise 5.5. Second Roman letter, construct the rectangle with the given measurements and find its area. Here the name of the rectangle is hand, H-A-N-D. Given that HA is equal to 7 cm and AN is equal to 4 cm. We shall draw the rough diagram. Rough diagram. We have drawn the rectangle. HA is equal to 7 cm and AN is equal to 4 cm. Yeah. Now we shall draw the fair diagram. In that HA is equal to 7 cm. We shall draw the 7 cm. From 0 you have to keep point and 7 cm. Here you have to keep point and join these 2 points. Okay. Then give name. This is H and A. 7 cm. Here they are given AN is equal to 4 cm. So for AN we have to draw a perpendicular line. After that only we can measure 4 cm. Okay. For that perpendicular line we have to take the protractor and keep on A. Okay. Keep on A and take 90 degree. 90 degree is the perpendicular line. Okay. 90 degree. Then join A and that 90 degree. Yeah, joined. Here it is 90 degree. Okay. Then give point as X. Now here AN is equal to 4 cm. Using the scale, you take 4 cm from 0 to 4 cm. Take 4 cm. 0 to 4. cm and draw an arc from A. Cut an arc. Okay. We have drawn an arc for 4 cm. So this is a center here. Okay. Name is N. H-A-N. Okay. From here you have to draw 7 cm. Opposite sides are equal, no? So from N to D 7 cm. So from this midpoint you draw an arc for 7 cm. Okay. So you take a scale and take 7 cm from here to 7 cm. I have taken 7 cm. Now from this midpoint you draw an arc. Okay. Again from H to D we have to draw 4 cm. Here 4 cm. Opposite sides are equal, isn't it? So we again take 4 cm. To here. 4 centimeter. I have taken 4 centimeter. Okay. Now from H you draw another arc. Now you have got the center here. Okay. Now you join the center. Name the center as D. You join the points now. N to D. You plot and see like this. Okay. And join now. Now you join. Okay. Now again H to D. You plot and see the point. Join. Now we have got the rectangle and give the measurements. 7 centimeter. Here 4 centimeter. Here you have to find its area also. Okay. What is the area of a rectangle? Yes, area of a rectangle. Is equal to L into B square units. Okay. Here L is equal to 7 centimeter and breadth B is equal to 4 centimeter. So you substitute L and B. 7 into 4 is equal to 28 centimeter square. So area of a rectangle is equal to 28 centimeter square. Now we shall write the construction for this diagram. Okay, first, draw a line segment. First one is draw a line segment. HA is equal to 7 centimeter. The second point, at A, you have to draw a perpendicular line, isn't it? So at A, construct AX is perpendicular to, here construct AX perpendicular to AH. At A, we are drawing a perpendicular line which is perpendicular to AH. Okay, this line is perpendicular to AH. The third point is with AS center, draw an arc. Draw an arc of radius 4 centimeter. Let it cut AX at N. Fourth point, with H as center you are drawing one arc, with N as center you are drawing another arc, isn't it? 2 arcs you are drawing. So with H and N as center, draw arcs. 2 arcs we are drawing, isn't it? Of radii. Radii means it is plural. Singular it is radius. Okay. Ready? 4 centimeter and 7 centimeter respectively. Then the fifth point is join ND and HD. Join ND and HD. Then the last point is HAND is a required rectangle. Okay. Second problem. The rectangle using a side and a diagonal. Okay, we are going to draw the rectangle using a side and a diagonal. Okay. The second problem is land. The name of the rectangle is land. Here they are given the LA as 8 cm and AD as 10 cm. AD is the diagonal here. Okay. Given LA is equal to 8 cm and AD is equal to 10 centimeter, and draw a rough diagram here. LAND and write the measurements. 8 centimeter, here 10 centimeter. Now we shall draw the FAR diagram. First we have to draw the 8 centimeter. Plot a point 0 and here 6, 7, 8 centimeter. Then join those 2 points. Okay. Now name it L, A, it is 8 centimeter. Okay. Here from A to D you have to draw a arc, but we don't know the center here. For that you have to draw a perpendicular line. Okay, for that perpendicular line, what you have to do? You have to take 90 degree. Okay. Using L as the center, you take 90 degree. Okay, keep point and join these 2 points. Touch the point and see. And join it. The arrow mark. Here it is the perpendicular line. LX is perpendicular to LA. Now you take 10 centimeter. A to D you have to draw an arc. From here to 0 to 10 you have to take. Okay. And now draw an arc from A to X. Give this point. Okay. Keep the center point here. Name the point as D. Now with this center you have to draw, opposite sides are equal, no? So with this center you have to draw an arc. The DS center, draw an arc of 8 centimeter. Take an 8 centimeter here now. So using the 8 centimeter you draw an arc here. Okay. Then measure this LD and draw another arc from A. You have got the center here, isn't it? This is the N. Now you join the center from A to A and D. Okay. Now you measure L and LD. Okay, from L you measure, that is the 6 centimeter. That is the breadth of the rectangle. Okay. Now we know length is equal to 8 centimeter and breadth is equal to 6 centimeter. We have drawn one diagonal, isn't it? You join that also. A to D. You join the diagonal. This is 10 centimeter. For finding the area, we need only L and B, isn't it? So, area of the rectangle is equal to L into B. Okay. That square units. So 8 into 6. 8 6 are, yes, 48 centimeter square. Now we shall write the construction. Construction. Okay. First point is draw a line segment. We have drawn a line segment. Draw a line segment. LA is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. Then the second point is at L. We have drawn a perpendicular line, isn't it? At L, construct LX perpendicular to LA. Okay, perpendicular to LA. Then the third point, A as center. With A as center, we have drawn an arc. Draw an arc. Draw an arc of radius 10 centimeter and let it cut LX at D. Then the fourth point is with A as center we have drawn an arc and D as center we have drawn another arc, isn't it? With A and D as center, draw an arcs okay, of radii. What are the radius we have drawn? 6 centimeter. A as center we have drawn 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter, isn't it? D as center we have drawn 8 centimeter respectively. Okay. Fifth point is join. We have to join, isn't it? Join AN and DN. Join AN and DN. The last point is LA ND is the required rectangle. We have seen two problems, isn't it? one with length and breadth, and one with side and a diagonal. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.